Next are cash disbursements. We've given assumptions again, is that we estimate 20% of the current month inventory purchases are paid during the month, and 75% will be paid in the following month. We're having some terms from our creditors. During May, we had purchases of $32,000, and the budgeted purchases were $36,720, which we saw earlier from the purchasing budget. All right, so let's look at this section. The layout here is what are May inventory purchases. We were given that data, and it was $32,000. Then we say, what is the amount that's paid in the month of purchase? That number is 25%, 0.25. What is the percent paid subsequent month? It's 0.75. Use these percentages and said May purchases of 32 times 25% were paid in May. The rest will be paid in June. So 32,000 times 75% will be paid in the following month. So we'll do a check here, plus this, plus June equals 32. So this equals this. We're in good shape. So the amount of inventory purchases in June, 36,720. By the way, I don't have to do that. I could just do plus and go up on top, and it's right here. Purchases in the month of June, we derived it, 36,720. And the percentages will be the same, 0.25, 0.75. And June would be the 0.25 times purchases. And July would be 0.75 times 36. And we can check this one as well. Plus that should be 36,720. All right, notice that this number for July is not needed for the July income statement, but it is the leftovers that we paid in July. June would show the income statement using the cash flow, and then July will use this as the accounts payable for. All right, so total of the payments in the month of June, 9180 plus 24, so 33,1. All right, now let's do the next section of cash disbursements, which are for general and administrative expenses. Here we have a long description of the G&A expenses. I'm just going to copy and paste this into the spreadsheet, and we could show how to work with it. So BC Cart's general administrative were $8,200 in May, $8,400 in June, and each of those have $1,100 in depreciation included in them. Furthermore, we have $15,500 that are for income taxes that we're going to pay in June, and that we have a policy that we're going to pay all the selling expenses in the month incurred, and the general administrative will be 60% in the month in which it was incurred and 40% carried over to the next month. Furthermore, we're told that income taxes are 30% of pre-tax income and that they're paid in the month following the accrual. Let's create a schedule. So for the month of May, we have expenses of $8,200. And of that, $1,100 is depreciation, so the net is $7,100. And the amount paid in the month incurred is 0.6, and the following month is 0.4. So we can show that as May would have the 7,100 times 0.6. June would have 7,100 times 0.4. And for the month of June, the expenses were $8,400. We still have $1,100 in depreciation. So the net is 7,300, and we still have the 0.6 and 0.4. 0.6 in the month of June is 0.6 times 7,300. The carryover for the following month is 7,300 times 0.4. We could see that during the month we had G&A of 7,220. I'm just going to also carry forward the same analysis for selling expense because we're going to need it for later on. So selling expense from above is 11,650, and the depreciation portion is 3,500. Net there is 8,150. All right, good. So we've got the G&A figured out.